So the processor of this laptop is an AMD Ryzen 9 9000 series, that is 9955HX. Ito ang pinakamataas na Ryzen 9 na nakita ko ngayon. And not just that, the memory of this laptop is actually 32 GB. So busog na busog ka sa memory on this one. Pero ang pinakamaganda talaga dito sa laptop na ito, yung kanyang video card. This is running an NVIDIA RTX 5070 Ti na that is 16 GB dedicated. The resolution of this laptop is a 2560 by 1600. So this is an IPS display and it's running a 240 Hz. So sobrang taas ng refresh rate ng laptop na ito. This might be your gaming laptop. It's not even a gaming laptop. This is actually one of the highest gaming laptop or sa monster laptop or sa high tier laptop or sa flagship laptop. However, the brand is Chewy. Probably you will be hesitant on this brand pero titignan natin kung ano ang maganda at pangit dito sa gaming laptop ni Chewy. First of all, this is not a paid sponsored ad, okay? So hindi kami magiging biased dito sa laptop na ito. I will not sugarcoat this Chewy brand. Titignan natin kung ano yung maganda at pangit dito sa Chewy na ito. Probably magustuhan niyo yung specifications because it's so very wow. Ang ganda ng kanyang video card, ang ganda ng kanyang processor, even the memory and the storage, everything on it. Probably you'll be a little bit hesitant because of the brand. Pero let's talk about the brand Chewy first, no? Well, Chewy actually started on us after the pandemic. So that was around mga 2022. Si Chewy is actually already 3 years sa amin dito sa Laptop Factory. So natutuwa si Chewy Philippines sa amin dahil we've been partners for more than 3 years or 3 years or more. Pero hindi namin dinidiscontinue si Chewy. Not like sa mga ibang brands katulad nila BMax, nila Red Fox, or yung mga other brands na parang nagdi-discontinue sa amin. However, si Chewy has been more than 3 years na dito sa Laptop Factory. Well, number 1, madali silang kausap. Number 2, yung after sales ni Chewy is actually iba compared sa mga ibang brands na sinabi ko. Now, we know the top 4 brands, which is the Acer, Lenovo, HP, and Asus. It's undeniable na talagang okay yung mga brands na yon. Pero if we talk about other brands, katulad ng mga Mechanic or Chewy, Ningmei. So, dito na nagiging hesitant yung mga tao. Is it worth buying? Or masusunog ba yung pera ko dyan? Or is it worth it because of the price? First of all, itong sinabi kong tatlong brand na to, itong sina Ningmei, sina Mechanic, and si Chewy, price competitive sila. Sobrang mura nila and yet ang taas ng specifications. And this is actually 20 to 40% off yung price difference niya compared to other brands or mga famous brands. So, mas mura to compared sa kanila ng 20 to 40% off. Anong meron kay Chewy? Well, ang Chewy, mas kilala siya sa mga mababang processor. It's because if you're looking for an affordable laptop, yung talagang on the tight budget ka, ideal para sa mga estudyante, dyan papasok sina Chewy because their prices are really competitive. For example, yung mga i3 ng top 4 brands, nasa pumapatak ng mga 25,000 and above yan. Pero kay Chewy, umaabot lang yan ng mga 15 to 20,000. So that's still a big difference. Price-wise, or if you're a price-conscious or kung nagtitipid ka, dyan pumapasok sila Chewy, sila Ningmei, or sila Mechanic. Mostly, ang nabebenta sa amin sa Chewy is yung mga Celeron nila, yung mga Pentium nila, yung mga touchscreen laptops nila. But this is the first na magkakaroon sila ng gaming laptop. And it's not just a gaming laptop. Parang nag-jump sila sa super high-end tier God mode gaming laptop. Imagine niyo, hindi siya nag-gaming laptop na Ryzen 5 or i5, i7. Nag-jump agad siya sa i9 or Ryzen 9 at hindi lang yun. Hindi siya pumunta sa RTX 30 series or 40 series. Chewy jumped on a 5,000 series. So, paano naman ang after sales nito? First of all, Chewy is a new brand or is not really that a famous brand, di katulad ng top 4 brands na meron sila mga service center na pag may nasira, pwede mong puntahan. Well, for Chewy naman, yes, they also have a service center. Pero hindi pa ganun karamihan. Si Chewy naman, hindi ka naman niya iiwanan pag nasira yung laptop ninyo. Kasi even kami, nagdadala din kami ng mga products kay Chewy na pag sira, talagang they assist us. And ang maganda dito, no, yung warranty niya. Ang standard warranty ng mga laptops is 2 years. Well, yung mga halos lahat ng laptops ni Chewy, yung mga Celeron or yung mga Pentium nila, 1 year lang yung warranty. However, for this gaming laptop na ito, it is actually 3 years warranty. So, mas mahaba ang warranty nito compared sa mga famous brands. Para maging kampante ka, they made it a 3 years warranty. Now, before we go to the specifications, tignan na muna natin kung anong meron dito sa laptop na ito. About the appearance, no? Okay, so it's color silver from everything. It's a top cover, dito sa ilalim, and dito sa body, it's silver. Okay, about the ports sa likod, we got here a Type-C, and then we got here yung charger niya, a mini display port, and they have an HDMI. Okay, so you can actually connect two monitors at the same time. And then on this side, we got here dalawang USB Type-A. On the other side naman, we got here the Ethernet port, another Type-C, USB Type-A, and we have here an audio combo jack. Ventilation, ang intake dito sa ilalim, and makita nyo, maganda yung design niya sa ilalim. May pattern, grid lines. So, ang intake dito, and yung exhaust, of course, dito sa likod ng laptop. Now, let's talk about the stickers. So we got here, the first sticker is a color calibration. Okay, so I'm not sure if this is an OLED, but definitely it's an IPS. Pero as I could see here, ang ganda ng kanyang screen quality. Another here, we got here the Nahimic. So that is actually the sound card. And the GeForce RTX, and we got here the AMD Radeon graphics. So of course, this laptop comes with an integrated and a dedicated. So, dalawang video card. And we also have here an AMD Ryzen 9 HX. So, the keyboard is RGB. I'm pretty sure that this is customizable. And I can see here that meron siya, may button dito sa taas, kung nakikita nyo. So, this button is actually probably the turbo mode or the silent mode or the normal mode. By the way, the charger, we got here a 250 watts, 1.5 amperes for a 5070 laptop that is running 250 watts. It's kind of suspicious. Chewy.com. Now, itest naman natin sound quality using video recording that we did. Ayan. So, what you're hearing right now is also the audio quality coming from this laptop. Okay, about the sound quality, okay naman siya. It's above average. Maganda. It is clear. I just noticed yung kanyang microphone, wala siyang noise cancelling. Kasi naririnig yung mismong tunog ng aircon dito sa studio na ito. Is either malakas yung microphone nito, mag-receive, or talagang wala siyang noise cancelling. And by the way, no, this Chewy is meron siyang camera shutter dito. So you can actually close it and open it for privacy. Probably you're conscious about the size and the weight of this laptop. Tara, sakatin natin. Alright, so we got here 14 inch for the length, 10 inches for the depth, 1 inch for the height. Diba? Sakto! So the screen size of the laptop, tingnan natin, is actually 16. This is a 16-inch laptop. Okay, so it's not a 15-inch, it's a 16. Viewing angle, 180 degrees. Ngayon, tingnan naman natin yung weight nito, kung gaano kabigat. Okay, so that's 2.7 kilograms with the charger. And then yung charger mismo is 300 grams, so that this weighs around 2.4 kilograms. Since this laptop is running a 5070 Ti, of course, ang pinaka-importante na kailangan natin tignan dito is yung kanyang performance, yung kanyang gameplay. We actually already did a gameplay on this one. And I think ang pinaka-best basis na talagang i-check yung kanyang gameplay is yung benchmarks. We've already done a benchmark on this one using the Monster Hunter Wilds benchmark because this is one of a AAA games. And may kita nyo dyan, may bench scoring dyan. The settings that we're in right now, this is actually a high. The graphics setting is high. You can see there the processor. It is Ryzen 9 9000 series. And then the RTX 5070. About the score, we are averaging like 125 FPS on that one. A benchmarking score ng Monster Hunter Wilds, if it is around mga nasa 16,000 to 20,000, that is actually good. Now, if it is 20,000 and above, sinasabi nila that is excellent. Yung ating score actually ended up in 21,600. So this is underneath the chassis of the Chewy Gamebook. Okay, as you can see here, the battery is 80 watts and makikita nyo lahat naka-cover. Yung SSD niya and yung memory niya. Pero tinanggal na rin natin. So on this part, makikita natin yung Wi-Fi card and we also have here the SSD which is, so it's a 1 tera SSD. And about the memory, we got here 2 memory slots, no? So this is already 16 gig each. That makes it 32. And may kita nyo, meron din siyang thermal pad dito para lumamig yung memory niya. And then, meron pa ditong M.2 slot. So, pwede mo pang i-upgrade yung storage mo. Pwede mong dagdagan. And aside dito sa mga pwedeng i-upgrade, nandito yung kanyang dalawang fan, dalawang intake, malamang yung processor and yung GPU na dito. Nothing much. Speaker na dito. Just to sum it up, yung mga memory, hindi mo na kailangan i-upgrade. Overkill na yung 32. But you can add a storage kasi meron pa siyang free M.2. So, this laptop comes with a 1-week replacement and a 3 years warranty from Chewy. Now, let's talk about the pros and the cons of this Chewy gaming laptop nila. Let's first talk about the cons. I think ang pinaka-unang cons nyo in mind, it's about the brand itself. If you say Chewy on the gaming laptop, parang medyo, talaga? That's the first time, Well, yeah. Even for me, this is actually the first time. Now, how about the after sales of that since it's a new brand? Well, this is a 3 years warranty. Ang standard warranty even sa mga gaming laptops is only just 2 years for the top 4 brands yan, But this one, 3 years ang warranty niya. And then, other cons na napansin ko dito is about the charger. As you can see there, the charger is 250 watts. Ang mga RTX 4070, mga nasa 350 watts. So basically, this laptop is possible a low TDP. But we'll put it on the comment section if we've got exact information about this. Because what I'm telling you right now is what I'm seeing on the laptop. This is not based on their specifications na sinad sa amin. So itong mga sinasabi ko is based on what I see on this laptop. Okay, and another cons on this laptop is we've noticed when we done a gameplay on this one, umiinit siya. Well, it's because it's Ryzen 9, ang taas ng processor niya, and it's running a 5070 Ti, kaya siya umiinit. Pero hindi naman siya nasusunog. So dito napansin ko, akala ko dati, kaya umiinit dahil Chewy laptop pero na-realize ko, umiinit din pala sa ibang mga 50 series, especially ang taas pa ng processor nito. So probably this is not a cons, pero ang isa napansin ko dito is yung kanyang it does not come with the Microsoft Office. Yun lang. Pero tayong mga Pilipino naman, ginagawa naman natin ang paraan yun So, hindi ko alam kung cons yun. Now, let's talk about the pros naman dito sa laptop na ito. Specs-wise, yes, sobrang taas, sobrang mamaw. I-disregard nyo muna yung brand na Chewy, Let's talk about the specifications. Ryzen 9 9000 series, this is actually a top-of-the-line processor. A video card of an RTX 5070 Ti that's a 16GB dedicated. This is actually one of the top-of-the-line video card din. The memory is already 32GB. Kung nabibiting ka pa sa 32GB, pwede naman i-upgrade to 64GB. Pero OA na yung 32GB, hindi mo na kailangan i-upgrade. Probably, ang kapos na lang dito is yung kanyang storage, which is a 1TB SSD. So, pwede na nyo upgrade to 2TB SSD. Ngayon, iisipin nyo, syempre, pag mataas ang specifications, dapat di mahal yan. Well, technically, yes, mahal siya, pero hindi siya ganun kamahalan katulad ng mga sikat na brand. Ang mga Asus, HP, Acer, Lenovo, yung mga RTX na naka-RTX 5070 Ti nila na sa i9 or Ryzen 9, nagpa-price point niya ng mga nasa 200,000 and above. Pero dito kay Chewy, katulad sinabi ko, hindi naman ng brand ang binabayaran mo yung mismong performance. You buy what you get. Ang SRP nito, mga nasa around mga 150,000. Pero dito sa Laptop Factory, ibebenta natin mas mababa. Okay, ninisip nyo, 150,000, sobrang mahal naman Ang mga 4070 or 4080 series, sa price range din na ganon. But we're gonna keep you posted kung magkano magiging presyo dito sa Laptop Factory. Yun yung SRP ni Chewy. Siyempre, alam niyo naman dito sa Laptop Factory, mas mababa pa dito. Kung kaya natin benta ng mura to, siyempre, bebenta natin ng mura ito. I think nasabi ko na lahat tungkol dito sa laptop na ito. Now, if you do have comments and suggestions on this laptop, feel free to comment, okay? For me, this is actually the first huge jump na ginawa ni Chewy na from a Celeron, dumiretso sila ng gaming laptop. In case that you're interested on buying this, it will be available on our main office first. If you want to have this deliver on our branch, message lang kayo doon at papadeliver tayo nito sa branch natin. Sana nakatulong tong video na to bago kayo bumili ng Chewy gaming laptop. And again, this is Tito Dustin. Thank you for staying this long. Have a wonderful day. God bless you.